Here is the situation. What if I told you that English sentence is just a puzzle and you only need 8 pieces to solve it? Yes, 8 pieces. All what you need is a noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjunction. So master these 8 parts of speech and your English grammar becomes simple. In the next few minutes, I'll explain them clearly with easy examples and a quick quiz to test yourself. Let's build English the smart way. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. This is Ridwan speaking. How old were you when you knew that English sentences are made of parts, just like our bodies are made of parts, like head, arms, legs, feet, toes, etc. English has its own parts. Once you understand them, things become easy somehow, and you will improve your speaking, writing, reading, and even you perform quite well during exams. So let's analyze them one by one. So the first part on our list is a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a name of something, someone, or some places. Things such as furniture like table, chair, bed, mattress, etc. People like father, mother, grandfather, son, etc. Places such as hospital, school, mall, bank, park, garden, etc. So a noun is a name of something. As you have a name, things have names. So when I tell you a chair comes to your mind. When I tell you a cat, because animals are things, okay? So when I tell you a cat, you picture a cat, etc. Pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun replaces the noun. And we have them from I to they. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Adjective describes the noun. When we describe the noun, we use the adjective. For example, big car, small building, beautiful picture, wonderful sunset, etc. Verbs. Verbs are actions we do. For instance, sleep, wake up, get up, wash, brush, eat, drink, play, watch, go, come, etc. They are things, actions we do. Adverbs. From the noun, we can conclude that it is a word to describe the verb, how the verb performs, like quickly, fast, beautifully, perfectly, amazingly, etc. Preposition. Prepositions show relationship in a sentence, like in, on, at, above, under, beside, next to, etc. Conjunctions now. Conjunctions connect sentences. So what I want you to do is remember something called fan boys. Fan boys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fan boys. In addition to that, we have like because, while, when, however, etc. Interjunctions describe sound. There are sounds we make when we are shocked or amazed or happy, such as wow, woo, yay, when we are happy, etc. These sounds are called interjunctions. You don't need to understand any language, so once you hear them, you know, or at least you can feel how the speaker is feeling at that time. So, let's recap. The 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjunction. Nouns such as things, people, places. Pronouns replace the noun. The adjective describes the noun. The verb is an action we do or state. Adverb describe the verb. Preposition, they show relationship in a sentence. Conjunction, they connect between 2 or more sentences. And the last one is interjunction. They describe the sound we make. All right? Are we cool? Great. So, let's check our understanding by taking this quick quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back to this easy yet very useful quiz. Parts of speech quiz. So, the directions. Identify the part of speech of the capitalized word in each sentence. So the target word is capitalized. Number 1, she ran quickly to catch the bus. The capitalized word here is quickly. She ran quickly. Is it a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? Here we are talking about quickly, okay? Ran quickly. We are modifying the verb. So, take your time, and the right option is excellent job. It's an adverb. Why? Because we are modifying the verb. Number 2, the dog barked loudly all night. The target word here is dog. The dog barked loudly all night. So, what is the word dog? Is it a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? Decide quickly. So, the right option is a noun. Excellent job. 3, I will read the book tonight. The target word is read. What is read? Is it a noun, a verb, an adjective, or a preposition? You decide. Excellent job. Read is a verb. Read, read, read. Number 4, that was a beautiful sunset. The target word is beautiful. That was a beautiful sunset. Here we are describing how the sunset was. So beautiful is a noun, verb, adjective, or conjunction. You decide. And the right option is adjective. Excellent job. Beautiful is an adjective. Number 5, we sat under the tree to rest. We sat under, the target word is under. Under what? The tree. Why? To rest. Is it an adverb, preposition, verb, or adjective? Under the tree. Tree's place. And the right option is preposition. Very good. It's preposition of place. Well done. Number 6, she forgot her keys at home. Actually, the capitalized word is she, but I made a mistake here. I highlighted forgot. Let's talk about both of them, okay? Forgot. What is forgot? Forgot is a verb, okay? However, she is a pronoun. She is a pronoun to refer to a woman or a girl. Number 7, I wanted juice, but there was none left. Here we have 2 sentences. Okay? Sentence number 1 is I wanted juice. Full stop. The second one is there was none left. Here we are connecting between the 2 sentences using the word but. So what is but? Is it preposition, adverb, conjunction, or a verb? You decide. And the right option is, well done. It's a conjunction. We are connecting, linking between 2 sentences. Number 8, wow, that is amazing. Our target word is not wow. The W is capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence. However, our target word is amazing. It's not wow. So what is amazing? Here we are describing that. What is that? I don't know. It's something. But that thing, whatever it is, it's amazing. So amazing is a noun, interjunction, adjective, or a verb. It's an adjective. Excellent job. Next. He gave me 3 apples. 3 is a number. So numbers in general, they are noun, adjective, verb, or an adverb. Numbers are adjectives. Very good. So 3 is an adjective. Excellent job. The last one for today is the cat jumped onto the table. The target word is onto. The cat jumped onto the table. We highlight onto and let's decide what kind of word is it. Is it a verb, adverb, preposition, or conjunction? Come on, decide. Quickly. And the right option is number 3, preposition. Again, it's preposition of place because onto the table. So let's recap. Onto is a preposition. 3 is an adjective. Amazing is an adjective. But is a conjunction. Forgot is a verb. And she is a pronoun. Under, preposition. Beautiful, adjective. Read, verb. Dog is a noun. And quickly is an adverb. Why there is ly. Let's give it a red color. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions or any concern, leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you very soon. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. See ya. Bye bye for now.